Hello, Tom. Today we practice real daily English together.
That sounds great, Anna. I really want natural speaking skills.
Good. We will use simple sentences and real situations.
Perfect. Simple English helps me feel more confident speaking.
Remember, short sentences are easier and sound more natural.
Yes, long sentences are harder and sometimes confusing.
Today we practice greetings, shopping, food, and daily conversations.
I am ready. Let's start speaking like real life.
Part 1. Daily Greetings. Good morning, Tom. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, Anna. I feel good and ready today.
That is nice. People usually say I'm good daily.
Yes, saying I am good sounds simple and natural.
Avoid saying I am very fine. It sounds unnatural.
Okay, I will use I'm good from now on.
Hey, Tom. What's up this afternoon?
Not much, Anna. I am just relaxing at home.
That sounds nice. Relaxing helps your mind feel calm.
Yes, simple phrases like not much are very useful.
Exactly. Native speakers use short answers in daily conversations. Part 2. Talking about your day. Tom, how was your day at work today?
My day was busy. I had many tasks today.
Busy days are common. People often say it was busy.
Yes, I also feel tired after many meetings.
You can say, that sounds tiring, to show understanding.
That sounds helpful. I will remember that sentence.
Tom, what are you doing later this evening?
I am going to the store to buy food.
That is good. Daily activities help practice simple English.
Yes, I can describe my actions using present continuous tense.
Exactly. I am going is very common in conversation. Part 3. Shopping conversation. Excuse me, Tom. Can you help me find bread?
Yes, Anna, I can help you find it quickly.
Thank you. Saying excuse me is polite and important.
Yes, politeness is very important in English communication.
I am looking for fresh bread in the store.
It is over there, near the cold drinks section.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate your help.
You are welcome. That is a friendly, natural response.
Part 4. Restaurant English.
Hello, Anna. What would you like to eat today?
I would like chicken and rice for lunch today.
That sounds delicious. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I would like cold water with my meal.
Good choice. Water is simple and healthy for everyone.
Saying I'd like sounds more polite than saying I want.
Yes, polite language is important in restaurants and public places.
Tom, can I get the bill now, please?
Sure, Anna. I will bring it right away.
Thank you. That was a nice and simple meal.
You are welcome. I enjoyed this conversation practice too.
Part 5. Making plans with friends.
Anna, are you free later this afternoon?
Yes, I am free and looking for something fun.
Let's watch a movie together at home today.
That sounds fun. I really enjoy watching movies.
Great. Simple invitations help build real conversation skills.
Yes, using let's is very common in friendly conversations.
Anna, maybe we can also meet something tasty.
That is a good idea. I prefer pizza today.
Okay, I agree. Pizza sounds really delicious now.
Saying I prefer helps express your opinion clearly.
Yes, it sounds better than just saying I want.
Dart 6. Phone conversation.
Hello, Anna. It's Tom calling you right now.
Hi, Tom. Nice to hear your voice today.
Are you busy or free to talk now?
I am not busy. We can talk freely now.
Great. Phone conversations help improve listening and speaking skills.
Yes, saying it's Anna helps people recognize your voice. Dart 7. Daily routine. Tom, what do you do every morning usually?
I wake up early and drink coffee daily.
That sounds good. Routines help build strong habits.
Then I go to work and start my tasks.
Simple sentences like this are perfect for beginners.
Yes, daily practice makes speaking feel easier over time.
Dart 8. Small talk practice.
Anna, it is very hot today outside.
Yes, the weather feels really warm and uncomfortable.
I need cold water to feel better quickly.
Me too. Hot weather makes people feel tired easily.
Talking about weather is common in daily conversations.
Tom, this food tastes really good today.
Yes, I like it. It is very delicious.
Saying I like it is simple and natural.
I agree. Simple words are powerful in communication.
Tom, do you feel more confident speaking English now?
Yes, I feel better when I use simple sentences.
That is great. Confidence grows with daily practice.
I understand more when conversations are simple and clear.
Remember, you do not need perfect grammar always.
Yes, communication is more important than perfect sentences.
Hey Tom, how are you doing today?
I am good. How about you today, Anna?
I am doing well, thank you for asking.
What are you doing later this evening?
I am going to the store for food.
That sounds good. Can I come with you?
Of course. Let's go together and practice English.
Great. Speaking together helps us improve faster daily.
Tom, practicing daily conversations helps improve speaking skills.
Yes, I feel more confident after this lesson today.
Keep practicing short sentences every single day.
I will practice speaking even with simple words daily.
That is perfect. Small steps create big progress.
Thank you, Anna. This lesson was very helpful today.
You are welcome. Keep learning and never give up.
See you next time for another English lesson.